Welcome to Money Kennels. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Follow us on Instagram at money.kennels.
Better off than you are now. He does. How do I know that? Because he's allowed me to see where I used to be to where I am. And I would have never gotten to where I am had it not been for him showing me how much he loves me. So when I rejoice because I know where he's brought me from. I know where I came from.
Hey,
I know the
Bart.
lifestyle and the addictions that I had in my
Bart.
life. I know the things that
boy.
he broke me from and set me free.
Here's a quick update on how you doing. Yes, sir. And I also wanted to give everybody a thanks for subscribing to the video, to the channel. Come here, Ghost. Come here, Ghost. They want to see you. And yeah, I just thought these were so cool. Little dog snacks, dog treats. I just got ice cubes in it right now. Regular ice. But I'm going to use these to make dog snacks, dog treats. Let me get one out. Yeah, a little dog foot. So cool. Come here, Belle. Come here, Belle. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Yes. She's like, come on, Dad. Where's the flavor? Just regular ice. Good place. Leave it, Ghost. Sit, Ghost. Hey, sit. Good boy, stay. Leave it. I'll get you one. Hold on. What you think of that, Belle? Leave it. Look at me. Hey. Look. Come here, Ghost. Come here, boy. Come here, Ghost. Hey, come here. Come here, boy. You ain't tired, boy. You ain't did nothing. You ain't did nothing. So yeah, this is Ghost. 3 months. Paul. Alright, bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Follow us on Instagram at money.kennels.